If you want to speed up and optimize your OPPO Reno 15 Pro, it is actually fairly simple. What you can do is you can go to the phone manager in here, and if you open it, then you will see this optimization option in here. So you can tap on optimize in order to quickly optimize your phone, which also should slightly speed up your phone as well. Once you are done, we can also find some additional recommended features that we can use, some of the optimization options, so feel free to try them out if you want to. And the system boost is actually also pretty decent, that can be helpful to speed up our phone. We can also find it here in the main menu of the phone manager app. So if we go over here, we can free up our memory, we can close running apps over here to speed up our phone, and it is generally speaking pretty great for that. You can of course go to the background apps over here, to the list of recent tasks, and remember to close apps that are running somewhere in the background all the time. We don't really want to keep them opened all the time. It is definitely better to close them now and then. Of course, besides that, we can also use the RAM extension. Usually it is actually activated and fully used on this phone, but just in case you want to go to settings, then over here tap on about device, and we can go to RAM in here to find the RAM expansion or the RAM boost. So of course you can use that, you can turn it on and extend by 12 GB if possible to get as much RAM as possible, so the phone will not slow down when you have lots of tasks running somewhere on your phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.